This might be the best and most powerful beginner wood burner kit I've ever used. The Razertip SE kit that you see now began years ago. In the lost years of 2020, Razertip reached out to an elite group of creative burners to contribute to this top secret project. What I love is that this kit embodies the same ethos at the inception of the company in 1984 by artist Cam Merkel, who created a better burner to suit his needs, and through sharing knowledge and teaching, he then shared the burner with his students. I'm not sure where Pooh is, but I know that Pooh would love to start a burner kit. I love a well-packaged package. Here are stats for this unit. Let's take a look at what's included in this kit. The BPH pen, screwdriver to change the tips, a brass bristle brush for cleaning the tips, also included is an instructional manual. What I love is the knowledge shared in this guide to burning. Pooh, there you are. I've been looking everywhere for you. Where'd you go?
I was with my friend.
That makes sense. I was showing our friends your new burner.
My new burner?
Yep. You said you've always wanted one.
It's finally here?
It's finally here. Let's look at it.
Ooh, wow. I love it. Can you show me something to burn first?
Yeah. This block of wood is what we're going to use for the burn. First, I've got to measure everything out and make sure the design works for this.
I don't think they can see clearly.
Sorry, friends.
Beautiful.